Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And now I had a question about a feature of Microsoft Edge, or two features, and what were the differences between both was really the question. So if you go into Microsoft Edge, you have the ability to make collections. And of course, there's another feature on the upper left, which is Workspaces. So the question that came to mind was, what's the difference? Well, the difference is that a workspace is a place where you will gather different things that you want to do and see, websites and so on, but they are meant to be shared in a collaboration with somebody. So when you actually start a workspace, say here I did a science workspace, you can start going through the different things that it's meant to be. So, for example, it could have websites like, space.com, for example. It's science. I could open a tab and go into something that is space weather and so on, and open a series of tabs and of documents within Edge, like PDF documents, that after they are open and they are together within this workspace, you see here on the right side, when you actually start a workspace, you have a invite button. So that invite button is inviting other Windows users that you want to collaborate with, and you'll have a link, a connection with these other people through, of course, Microsoft accounts. And you can even chat. There's a workspace chat here where you can also collaborate on things. As you know, you can take out tools and start, changing or making notes on web pages through Edge and so on. So that means that people can interact with you and together in a workspace. And so you have the ability to create as many workspaces as you want, all with different options and all with their own users that you actually are going to collaborate with. So everything you do and everything you create in a workspace is shared with all the people you have invited. On the collection side, that is for you and only you. So a collection is you create a folder in which you will have several different websites, for example, that you want to keep. So you create one. So for example, here I created one called Commodore 64, and in there I've added some Commodore sites, and I could add more and more. And so I have basically some folders with the different websites that have to do with this subject in my collection. It is a little bit like, you have the ability and the favorites to create folders. And a lot of people use that. It's a little bit in the same way, but it's more visual because here you have a specific space called collections where you will see thumbnails of the different websites that you keep. So you create folders, you create new collections, as they call them, and you will add in those collections whatever website you want to add to. So, for example, here's space exploration. I'm actually right now on different websites that I can open with science. So I could also keep, but these are not shared. Your collections are only yours to keep on your browser. Of course, you can, export the collections into another Edge browser if you want, but this is only for you and for your eyes only, basically. It's your collections, the favorite websites you want to keep for yourself. And once again, the workspace is something to be shared with people that you'll invite. It's a collaboration, basically, especially for a workplace. You need to work on some news item. Well, you have the ability to do that through the workspace. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.